risk Nostrum high performance. We're out here on a closed track today validating our modular injectors for the VR30 engine. We're out here testing with our Infiniti Q50. This Q50 is upgraded with the RA600 package from AMS, and we've also bolted on our big bore high pressure fuel pump and Nostrum's modular injectors. These injectors took the car up to 640 wheel horsepower on the dyno, and now we're out here testing the 60 to 130 times using Dragy. Today we set the record time on the app at 7.02 seconds.